Alright, here I'm actually gonna put that word super mojado, and what I'm gonna do is also add Liga MX, Cruz Azul, Major League Soccer, and I'm actually gonna add a new category, which is Chicago Fire. And then the other category is going to be Leagues Cup. Alright, it's all going to be on the right there. So here, you'll do Liga MX. Actually, you know what? No, yeah. Major League Soccer. Then you can put Cruz Azul, Chicago Fire, and Leagues Cup. Alright, so then everyone. So I already did all the editing. I didn't want to include none of this. This is just for posting's sake. Okay. So each one of these are like little blocks. You see them? How this pops up? And let's see here. One more. Oh, there's that. I think there's one more here. Okay. Alright, and then we were talking about adding links to the prior games. So here, we do that. We add the link. We just gotta go and find it. Oh, I guess I could have done. There you go. There's that. Control C. Go back here. You put that there. Make sure that you underline it. And then I need to go here. There you go. Open in the tab. And that's it. Apply. You'll be able to see it blue. That's when you know it's working. Alright. Now, so go to Cruz Azul Instagram. And here, I'll look at. So this is a cool picture of Corona and Schweinsteiger. So if you wanted to, you know, put that, you copy that link, and then you go back, and then you mention Corona somewhere here. Oh, here you go. So you can add it there, just put Instagram, and then you can do that there. And you embed it, and boom, that pops up right there. But over here, they have a picture of Alvarado scoring. There it is. Perfect. So we'll copy that. We'll go back here. And then do this. Type Instagram. Boom. Boom. Embed. And that gives you that. And then to download pictures, you can just put Cruz Azul. Twitter. And typically, there you go. So we can try to download this sucker. And then just call it Cruz Azul Twitter .jpg, and that way you're able to download the picture right there. So now what we want to do here is we want to go to set feature image, upload the picture that we just saved. There it is. We'll upload it now, and then in the caption just put photo courtesy at Cruz, whatever their Cruz Azul FC Twitter, Cruz Azul _ FC Twitter. Select it. That thing uploads. All right. So now let's just read it. Cruz Azul defeats Chicago Fire and advances to the League's Cup semifinals. The inaugural match of the League's Cup saw Cruz Azul defeat the Chicago Fire in front of 12,000 fans, which 90% of them appear to be Cementero loyalists at Toyota Park. La Máquina came into this game as favorites despite their not so great start to their Liga MX season after a scoreless draw match against Necaxa. Also, Chicago was coming into the game on a bad stretch, having lost three out of their last 4 games. And I meant to be 3 out of their last 4 games. Spelled out the numbers. It was a one-sided match. It was a one-sided match for the first 45 minutes. Cruz Azul dominated the first half and embarrassed the home team on the statistics. La Máquina possessed 74% of the ball and has 6 shots on goal and 3 on target, compared to the Fire, who had none. Cruz Azul took the lead late in the first half, when at the 43rd minute, Roberto El Piojo, try to do that to all nicknames, Alvarado scored a golazo following a throw-in which allowed the ball to make its way inside the small box, only for Alvarado to score on a scissor kick-like play. I added all that, just tweaked it a little bit more, okay? Milton Caraglio had an opportunity to increase the lead in the last minute of the first half. Following a mistake from Chicago's goalkeeper Sanchez while trying to clear the ball, Caraglio was unable to capitalize and shot the ball right back to Sanchez. In the second half, Chicago made some adjustments to their lineup. The moves opened up the field and forced the matchup to turn into a back and forth. We can have the word game. Back and forth game. The Fire created a couple of opportunities as they tried to even things out. Fortunately for Cruz Azul, Jesus, and you had Chuy. Chuy had everything under control. Elias Hernandez came into the game in the 87th minute, and 3 minutes later scored the goal that gave Pedro Casino's man the 2-0 lead. With the victory, Cruz Azul punches their ticket to the League's Cup semifinals, where they will play the winner of the Galaxy versus Cholos game. Okay, let me just rephrase that a little bit. They will play the winner of the Galaxy Cholos later today. From later today on August 20th. All right, that's it, and then we publish. Cool.